Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to automatically log into your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. So do you want to skip the sign-in page on your PlayStation 4 and just have your account automatically log in and boot into the home screen on your account? Well, this is very easy to do. Let's log into my account right now, enter in the passcode. So on the home screen, let's go up to the top bar and then scroll all the way over to the right to settings and select this option. Now, scroll down to login settings, where you can adjust for logging into the PlayStation 4 and manage the users on the PS4. Now, the first option on the top is log into PS4 automatically. We can go ahead and check mark this. Now this says if you turn on this setting, you will automatically log into the PS4 when it's turned on. However, if there are multiple users that have been created on this PS4, only the last user who turns on this setting will automatically log in. So the last user who turned on this setting will automatically log into their PlayStation 4. And as you saw, I have like 4 or 5 different users on my PS4. So this account I'm currently on will be the only account that logs in automatically. So this is a very easy setting to turn on, and it's very convenient to get your account logged in real quick. So if this quick tutorial video did indeed help you guys out, make sure you hit that thumbs up button down below and subscribe to my channel for more PlayStation tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.